Welcome to this video. My name is Hannes Knechtges, and in this video I want to show you a cool, easy melody that is really famous. You will probably recognize this the moment I play it. So let me show you what you will get in this video. Wonderful Tonight by Eric Clapton. A lot of cool techniques going on in here, but still I think it's a beginner's melody because it's so easy to remember and there are so many repetitions in there and repetitive elements in there that we can really try it also as a beginner. But if you're a total noob, a total beginner, that's cool too, but you should check out my free lessons for beginners and my free ebook, which you will find in the video description. Get a direct download link. You don't have to put your email in there for the ebook, so check that out, make that sure. A lot of cool information you will need as a beginner. So now let's start with Wonderful Tonight, the intro melody. We start in the 7th fret of the G string with the index finger. And now we come to the first note that's maybe kind of hard for the beginners out there, but make sure to follow my lead here. So we go with the ring finger into the 10th fret of the B string. So 7th fret G string with the index, and then with the ring finger into the 10th fret of the B string, and make sure to have reinforcements there. My middle finger is right after, behind the ring finger in the 9th fret, and the index finger is in the 8th fret on the same string, kind of like a reinforcement to do a bending now. I push the string towards myself. So for a whole tone step here. So what does that mean? Playing that note isn't the note I want to hear, you know? Because I need to bend that note up and make it sound the note which is actually a whole tone above. And by pushing that string into my direction, I alter the note and make it sound like the note which is usually in the 12th fret. But it sounds way cooler to play it with a bending than playing it here. So it's 7th fret and then 10th fret with a bending. See, my neck is kind of like locked between the thumb and the side of my hand. That way I can make sure I have enough power. On acoustic guitars, it's harder than on electric guitars, but I wanted to make sure you can do it also and show you that you can do it on an acoustic guitar, because Clapton plays it obviously on an electric in that case. Then you release that bend, so we actually hear the note in the 10th fret just ringing out. Don't hit it again. And then 8th fret with the index finger, and then 10th fret with the ring finger again. So it's that's the first phrase. The second one is it's the same beginning that makes it easy to remember. 7th fret G string, then the bending in the 10th fret of the B string again, release, 8th, and then 9th fret G string with the middle finger. And at the end of every phrase, you can do a vibrato. So check that out. This little shaking going on here. It's kind of like a really tiny bending in a way, because I'm locking the neck again the same way I did on the bending, but I'm kind of like shaking the neck there. I'm actually turning and shaking my hand. And my whole underarm is kind of like moving there. And then third phrase. kind of the same again. We start in the 7th fret of the G string. Do again the whole tone bending in the 10th fret, the release, and then 8th fret, and then 10th fret again, and then we shift to the E string, 7th fret, 8th fret, we slide into the 12th fret and play the 10th fret, okay? So the last phrase. Seven, 10, release, 8, 10, 7. I move with the index finger to the 8th fret, the ring finger slides into the 12th, and then index finger in the 10th fret. So all three parts together. Way slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. With this melody, I wanted to show you that it's often more important to have expression in your playing by doing bendings, by doing vibrato, by repeating phrases. I just want you to really focus on those techniques which are going on there. And if you have any questions concerning those techniques like bending and vibrato and stuff, make sure that you're checking out my free lessons for advanced players. There we'll get into this kind of stuff, and I hope to see you there too. So thanks for sticking with me, guys, and see you on the next video. Bye.